Sometimes you just know, or maybe you only think a feeling without proof. That's ような気がする。ような気がする means I have a feeling, or it feels like connected with a verb, any adjective, an adjective, or a noun for an adjectives. Add na for nouns, add no でような気がする。明日は雨が降るような気がする。I have a feeling it'll rain tomorrow. 最近山田さんは元気がないような気がする。I have a feeling 山田 hasn't been himself lately. Just a feeling, nothing more. This is a guess without clear evidence. You're not certain, you're only saying that's how it feels. It's less certain than Yoda or Mitai. Just a feeling. あの人はどこかで会ったような気がする。I have a feeling I've met that person before. 月はスノーボードより簡単なような気がする。I have a feeling skiing is easier than snowboarding. Maybe, maybe not. That's ような気がする。